2025/12/1/6. The Summer Palace is worth spending half a day taking photos and strolling around it, and number 39 is very beautiful. This ticket allowed us to enjoy sightseeing smoothly. We visited on December 12th, and it was snowing, so we were able to enjoy the scenery that can only be seen in winter. Buying the combined ticket was very convenient. You should definitely climb up to the Tower of Buddhist Incense to see the beautiful scenery. Very convenient and easy to use. You can buy it on the mobile app the day before and scan the QR code sent by the travel agency by email at the entrance on the day to enter easily. You don't need to show your Taiwan compatriot certificate or passport. I highly recommend it. The Summer Palace is very beautiful and ranked first in this Beijing tour. It is a must-see attraction in Beijing. It is worth choosing a must-see attraction for your trip. It is recommended that you include it in the must-see attractions. It and number 39 is very nice, but there are a lot of people and you need to queue to enter most halls. There are many buildings with architectural features in the courtyard. You can try taking a boat in the hospital. It was very convenient to buy the Summer Palace admission ticket through the platform this time. We didn't have to waste time queuing up to buy tickets on site, giving us plenty of time to roam around the Summer Palace. The Summer Palace is really a place worth visiting. After entering the park, you can take a sightseeing boat and appreciate the beauty of the park from different angles along the way. Fortunately, I bought the tickets in advance, so I didn't and number 39 have to waste time queuing and was able to enter the park easily. No need to show ID, all entrances and exits can be used. It was originally very large, and the tour boat needs to add 40 yen per person, but the scenery is great. It is a pity that the Suzhou Express is undergoing maintenance.